wants to play the is this gonna fit game? Today I'm doing an unboxing for a lucky bag that I bought from a casual J fashion brand called Allamanda. So if you are not familiar with Fukubukuros, they are lucky bags that happen usually around the New Year's in Japan, but sometimes they happen throughout other parts of the year, at which point actually they're not called Fukubukuros. I think they're just called happy bags. Anyway, it's a bag where it has random contents in it. They're usually about 10,000 yen, so about $100 a piece, and the contents in them are usually random. You have no idea what you're getting. You could get a bunch of good stuff, or you could get a bunch of bad stuff. I purchased this Fukubukuro through Fashion Walker, which is a site that you can use to purchase from stores in Japan through a global shopping service kind of situation. According to my email, I purchased this item on December 21st. It arrived at Bai's warehouse for shipping on 12/29, so pretty fast that it arrived. I was thinking, shipping won't be that bad. It'll be about 60 bucks, baby. I didn't ship with EMS because it was going to be close to $200 to ship this bag. So I went with the slower shipping method, which was sea mail, basically carrier pigeon. Now, I paid for shipping, which was $42.13 on December 30th. I received this package last week, the last week of March. 3 months. This lucky bag better be worth it. This is a Big Mac Daddy lucky bag. This thing is heavy. This thing has a lot of stuff in it. I don't remember how many items are supposed to be in here. I think it's supposed to be 10, maybe. Like I said, Allamanda is a very casual J fashion brand. They got cute stuff. Sometimes their stuff don't fit because I totally bought a skirt from there and I have a little bit too much around the waist and it didn't fit and it's a little tight. But I'm hoping there's some stuff in here that works for me. So let's see what we got. There's a lot of stuff in here. Oh my gosh. All right. First item I'm randomly pulling out is big. And what is this? First of all, this color. Oh, it's a jacket. It's a coat. It's a puffy coat. I don't care for this color. This is like milk chocolate cacao color. It does seem like it's decent quality. I will give it that much. It's now spring here in Oregon pretty much, and it's starting to get warmer, and I will probably never wear this. This also looks kind of small, but it's got these snap buttons here at the front, and it's got a zipper. Price on this originally was 7,900 yen. So we're almost to the $100 mark on this lucky bag, just from this coat. If it fits, it chips. It does fit. The sleeves are a little short, but this is like a cute little puff. Does the hood fit? Well, the hood does fit. Oh my gosh, something fits me. Do you know how to work a zipper, Kimberly? Do you even know how to work a zipper? Arms are a little short. I guess it technically doesn't fit because the arms are too short. But this is warm though. This is pretty decent quality. Well, yes, I'm a fiance. Can't you tell? My shirt, my ring, and this milky brown coat. I am betrothed. Is this worth 7,900 yen? I don't think so. I think this feels very like H&M-esque. The sleeves are too short, so it looks like high water pants on arms. So, yeah. But this was nice to be in this bag. I had no idea a coat was gonna be in the bag, so thanks, Allamanda. All right, next item in this bag is something dark. Floss's dog. This is so cute, but this is not gonna fit. Look at this. I'm pretty sure I'm too big for this. But these sleeves, so cute. These sheer organza sleeves that have elastic cuffs. And then this neckline is also really cute. This sweetheart neckline. It's just black, it flares out. The waist isn't gonna be a problem, I don't think. Neither is the hips. It's going to be the bust. So this dress retailed for 3,900 yen. I think that is a decent price for this dress. I like this. This is cute. What else we got? Give me something good. That's not the word. Something ivory. It's a sweater. All right, and then we have this just plain ivory sweater, which is pretty basic. This looks like a good size. This originally retailed for 3,900 yen. That seems a little high. This seems like you bidded too high on Showcase Showdown. Definitely pretty roomy. I feel like this could be a cute, like kind of chunky. It's not quite chunky, but you could make it chunky if you're on the smaller side. This is also roomy enough to wear in Lolita. If you wanted to wear sweaters over your jumper skirts, you would have plenty of room to do that. Anyway, moving on to the next item. We got a shirt. It has a cute saying on it. Okay, it is just a plain long shirt in a very interesting color. Yet again, very fall color. On the shirt, it says hug. Yes. It's pretty basic. I would wear this, honestly. This is something I'd wear and like tuck into some pants or a skirt, pair it with like a puffy vest or something. Originally retailed for 3,900 yen. No, this is not 3,900 yen. The quality is nice though. This is nice quality. This is very soft. I don't want to use the word velvet because I don't think that's the right material. But y'all know that like felt kind of material that's often on shirts. It's got that, it's not screen printed. So lots of room. This is on the big side. So it's kind of sheer though, because I can see the light through the shirt. So it's gonna be a little see-through. Gonna have to wear a cami under this. You should probably wear a cami under your clothes anyway. Kind of cute. Kind of, I wouldn't have paid 3,900 yen for that. That's too expensive. Next item. All of these items are very earthy fall brown colors and I am not here for it. I wanted springy stuff, damn it. This is where the gamble is gonna be. Because my waist and hips are not a thing that Allamanda caters to. Interesting color, again, earthy, short. Has shirring. I'm pushing it if I stretch it to the max. I don't typically like to stretch the shirring to the max just because I don't want to stretch out the shirring. It's also not comfortable because it's squeezing body parts. And yeah, I don't like this. Not gonna lie, I don't like it. I don't have to lie. Whose feelings am I hurting? This originally retailed for 3,900 yen. Something was on this price tag. I think they might have had a sticker on it when it went on sale. So it probably wasn't gonna sell for 3,900 yen at the time they shoved it in a lucky bag. So quality on this again is not bad, but that's a dud, that's a dud. Next item. Wow, it's like the never ending bag. So far, I've only really liked one, which was that dress. And I don't know if that's gonna fit. Moving on, we have a scarf. All the plastic in the world. So this is the scarf that was in this lucky bag. Soft. I love this lavender gray. For y'all who don't know, this is our color scheme. This is our color scheme in our house, lavender and gray. So also our wedding colors. So this is really, really like up my alley. I love this. I don't have a lavender scarf at all. I have mostly pinks and like a checkered Christmassy one. This originally retailed for 2,500 yen. Sure. Again, it's spring now though. I guess I can like wear all these. I guess I can pack these up and just keep them around for next season. Very soft. I like this a lot. A lot of scarves often are like itchy on the neck, and because I have short hair, I typically don't have hair on my neck to kind of shield me from scarves. And yeah, this one's not itchy at all. So digging this. What else we got in here? We still got a lot of stuff in here. All right. I don't know what it is, but it's leopard print. I think I'm gonna like it. Y'all don't, I'm a 57-year-old single aunt inside. I love leopard print stuff so much. It's got elasticized sleeves. It's got this cute velvet bow right here. It's a little frumpy, but we could fix her. I'm not typically a fan of these because I have to button it myself and it's hard to do when you can't see the back of your head, but I'll make it work. Doesn't go with the scarf, gotta lose the scarf. jazz.com.biz.org.edu. Oh, I didn't tell you how much it costs. You might want to know that. Okay, this originally retailed for 3,900 yen. I don't think I would pay 3,900 yen for this. Actually, I would. I'm the rich, single auntie that sits at the table and talks about her sister and her life choices. That's me, wearing my leopard, smoking my long cigarette. There were like 4 things jammed in this one package, and then there's still stuff in the bag. So this is a cami lace overlay combo. This feels very nice. This is very, this is soft. This is gonna be tiny on me. It's gonna be a hot girl summer. But then there's this top that goes over it. Oh, this is cute. This is so cute. Look at this top. It's, again, with the elasticized sleeve, Allamanda better. They said we know there are different arm widths. That's what they said. Elasticized neck, because not everybody has the same neck width. I mean, I could almost wear this with Lolita on like a really hot day in the summer if you want to be blouseless, but you don't want to be too escandalo. You want to have a little something something on your arms, but not really. This could be it. Yo, look, for a casual J fashion brand, do y'all look at this? Like, this is definitely bigger, I think, than, I haven't tried any of this stuff yet on, so I might be eating my words, but just looking at this looks like it's wider than the typical Japanese top. Like, there's more room to fit over your body. You hear me? Like this. And then if I drop 10 pounds too, honey. So excited. Okay, what else we got in this? Oh, Who wants split pea soup green sleeveless top? What is this? What am I looking at? Okay, it's split pea green sleeveless ribbed sweater. By the way, that lace top, did I tell you how much it was? It was 2,900 yen. 3,900 yen. No ma'am. No ma'am, no ma'am. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. I do not like this at all. Paige, this looks like something in your color palette. If you want this, you can have it. I would like it if it were in a different color. I would also like it if it were bigger. I'm not even gonna try this on. Is this a dress? Oh, it's I say that. It's a dress. Oh, you're a crop top shirt, but you're cute. Okay, it's a crop top like sweater that retailed for 3,900 yen, but look what it says. Leave me alone. I'm wearing this until the end of time. Don't just leave me alone. Leave me alone. All this stuff looks really wide though. I guess that's in like the oversized stuff, but yes. Follow this. Please do, yeah. Mind your business, people who are probably gonna come on here and have something to say. Moving on, got more stuff. We have something else, earth tone. Get out of here. This is a turtleneck. This page, it's a chunky turtleneck. Cropped turtleneck. I don't like turtlenecks, first of all. I do not like them, Sam I am. I do not like green eggs and ham. They never look good on me. They feel really like, I just don't like it. It's just a sweater. It's chunky, feels warm, and it's thick. Cropped. Can be cute on the right person, ain't gonna be cute on me. This was 3,900 yen. It seems like an all right price. I just wish there was like something springy in here. She stinks. Girl, you can take a bath. That was the last item in my lucky bag. I'm all out. Bummer, I didn't know that was my last thing. Oh man. All right, so that was my unboxing of the lucky bag. Overall, do I think it was worth the $100? I do. There were some things in here that, although they were in a color palette I wish was not so prevalent, I would still wear these items. This made it worth it. That white lacy top, this black dress, I'm crossing my fingers and my toes because I really want that dress to fit because it was so freaking cute. But yeah, overall, I do think this lucky bag was worth it because of the number of items you get in it, the quality of the items that you get in it, and the overall wearability of it. Leave me alone. It had the Michael Jackson quote. There are some Michael Jackson fans apparently over at Allamanda, so definitely really like this. Like I said, very earthy, very like coffee latte kind of colors, but I'm not mad at that because I don't need to wear pinks all the time. So yeah. So what did you think of this lucky bag? Did you like anything in here? Anything in here speak out to you? Have you ever tried Allamanda clothes before? I don't hear a lot of people talking about the Allamanda brand most people, I think, especially in the States who are into J fashion, are really into they're into more of the expressive styles of J fashion, which is, you know, Lolita, Mori, Fairy K, things like that, or even Gyaru. And I don't hear people talk about any of the, you know, kind of normie, casual J fashion brands. So I would love to hear more about them. Anyway, if you are interested in purchasing anything from Allamanda, I'll leave a link to their Fashion Locker page, which is where I found out about their lucky bag. And I'll also leave a link to their Instagram. They sometimes post coordinates. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you aren't already. In which case, friend, if you sat through this whole entire video and you have not hit that subscribe button, let's go ahead and fix that right now. I upload a lot of videos about Japanese street fashion, Japan travel planning, even though I haven't done one in a while, but things are looking on the up and up. So it's time to kickstart my Japan travel planning for probably 2022. And I also do videos about wedding planning. I also do live streams every first and third Friday of the month. So if any of that sounds interesting, feel free to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell. That way you'll get notified every single time I upload a video or I go live randomly, because sometimes I might decide to do that. In the meantime, if you haven't had enough of me yet, feel free to check out any of the videos that are coming up next.